Do you know why you keep waiting for the right time? Because you're afraid. You say, I'll start when I'm ready. I'll do it when I have more money. I'll begin when things get better. But here's the truth you need to hear: the right time will never come. It's a lie. A comfortable lie you tell yourself. A story you repeat every single day, and while you wait, your life is passing. Today, I'm going to tell you something that might make you uncomfortable. Something you don't want to hear. But something you need to hear. Tomorrow is a liar, and if you keep believing that lie, you will wake up 1 year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Still waiting. Still dreaming. Still stuck. But not anymore. Today, we stop waiting. Today, we start living. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Lesson 1. There is no perfect moment. Why do you wait? You wait because you want everything to be perfect. You want the perfect plan. The perfect situation. The perfect feeling. You think, when I have more time, I'll start. When I have more confidence, I'll try. When everything is ready, I'll begin. But listen to me carefully. Perfect moments don't exist. Successful people don't wait for perfect. They don't wait for ready. They start messy. They start scared. The person who started their business? They were afraid. The person who learned English? They made mistakes every day. The person who changed their life? They didn't feel ready, but they started. And starting, even badly, is better than waiting forever. Truth, life doesn't give you perfect moments. Life gives you now. And now is all you need. Action. Right now, not later. Write down one thing you've been waiting to do. Just one thing. Then do the first step today. Not tomorrow. Today. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be started. Lesson 2. Your comfort zone is killing your dream. Let me ask you something hard. Why are you really waiting? Is it because you're not ready? Or is it because you're too comfortable? Here's the painful truth. Your comfort zone feels safe. But it's a prison. Inside that zone, you feel okay. You feel fine. You watch TV. You scroll on your phone. You say maybe tomorrow. And every day you stay there, your dream gets smaller. Your courage gets weaker. Your time runs out. Comfort is the enemy of change. The life you want? It's outside that zone. The person you want to become? They don't live in comfort. They live in growth. And growth is uncomfortable. But here's the beautiful part. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, it gets bigger. Every time you do something scary, you get braver. Every time you start, you get stronger. Truth, comfort keeps you stuck. Discomfort sets you free. Action. Today, do one thing that scares you. Something small. Something outside your routine. Send that message you've been avoiding. Make that phone call. Take that first step. Feel the fear. Do it anyway. Lesson 3. Later becomes never. How many times have you said these words? I'll do it later. I'll start next week. I'll begin next month. I'll change next year. Now answer this. How many of those laters actually happened? Later is where dreams go to die. Later is where plans disappear. Later is just another word for never. I know why you do it. You think you're being smart. You think, I'll wait until I'm more prepared. I'll wait until I know more. I'll wait until it's easier. But here's what really happens. You wait, and wait, and wait. And one day, you look back and realize you spent your whole life preparing. But you never lived. Time doesn't wait for you to be ready. Opportunities don't wait for you to feel confident. Life doesn't pause while you make up your mind. Truth, every later you choose is a dream you lose. Action. Stop using the word later. When you want to do something, say, I'll do it now or I'll do it today. Make that rule. Follow that rule. Because the distance between your dreams and your reality? It's one word, now. Lesson 4. Small action beats big plans. Do you want to know a secret? Most people who succeed, they didn't have perfect plans. They didn't know every step. They didn't have it all figured out. They just took one small action. Then another. Then another. You see, big plans feel good. They make you excited. You imagine the future. You dream. You feel motivated. But plans without action? They're just fantasies. What changes your life is not the plan. It's the step. One email sent is better than 10 emails planned. One page written is better than a whole book imagined. One workout done is better than a perfect routine on paper. Small steps create big change. You don't need to see the whole path. You just need to see the next step. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start somewhere. And when you take that first small step, something magical happens. The next step appears, and then the next. And then the next. That's how journeys work. That's how lives change. One small, brave action at a time. Truth, action, even tiny action, is worth more than perfect planning. Action. Before you sleep tonight, take one small action toward your goal. Write one sentence. Watch one lesson. Do one push-up. Make it so small you can't say no. Then do it. Prove to yourself that today was different. So, here we are. You've heard the truth. You know what you need to do. The question is, will you? I know you're scared. I know that voice in your head is loud. It's saying, what if I fail? What if people laugh? What if I'm not good enough? But let me tell you something. That voice has been lying to you your whole life. You are good enough. You are strong enough. You are ready enough. And the life you dream about? It's not waiting for the right time. It's waiting for you to move. So stop waiting. Stop planning. Stop preparing. Start walking. Start today. Start now. Start messy. Start scared. Just start. Because 1 year from now, you'll wish you started today. Don't let your future self down. Your dream is calling. Your life is waiting. Answer it. Now.